Getting the class name of an instance. How do I find out the name of the class used to create an instance of an object in Python? I'm not sure if I should use the inspect module or pass the _class _ attribute.
Have you tried the _name _ attribute of the class? etypex._name_ will give you the name of the class, which I think is what you want. If you're still using Python 2, note that the above method works with new style classes only. In Python 3+, all classes are new style classes. Your code might use some old style classes. The following works for both.
Do you want the name of the class as a string? Type
The sample code above, when input in the interactive interpreter, will produce _main_ data as opposed to a which is produced if the _name_ attribute is invoked. By simply passing the result of a _class_ to the str constructor, the parsing is handled for you. However, you could also use the following code if you want something more explicit. This behavior can be preferable if you have classes with the same name defined in separate modules. The sample code provided above was tested in Python 2.7.5.